Each year, our gardens fill with fallen branches and old logs. Most see them as waste to be burned or hauled away. But this wood is a hidden treasure, holding the secret to long-lasting fertile soil. It's not just debris, it's stable carbon, the foundation of healthy soil. Compost gives a quick nutrient boost, but it's gone in a season. For enduring soil health, we need something that lasts: buried wood. Think of a forest floor. No one burns the fallen logs. They become part of the earth, feeding life for decades. This slow decay is nature's way of building rich soil, supporting countless organisms. Burning wood interrupts this cycle, releasing valuable carbon as smoke and leaving behind only a fraction of its worth. We trade decades of fertility for a moment of convenience. Instead, we should see wood as a resource to return to the earth, not rubbish to discard. By burying wood, we follow nature's blueprint for thriving, resilient gardens. The secret to a lush garden is right under our feet if we choose to keep it there. Don't burn your future, bury it. Let's unlock the hidden treasure in our yards. In ancient forests, fallen trees aren't waste. They're the start of new life. Mosses and fungi arrive first, breaking down the wood's tough structure. This slow process creates a stable carbon bank, the skeleton of fertile soil. Fungi and bacteria work together, turning wood into nutrients plants can use. The result? Forest soil that stays rich and alive for decades. We can copy this in our gardens by burying wood beneath our plants. Compost gives a quick boost, but buried wood is a long-term investment. It keeps soil fertile, airy, and full of life year after year. We're not inventing something new, we're following nature's proven recipe. Let's bring the wisdom of the forest into our own backyards. Build your soil the way nature does, with wood, patience, and life. Burying wood starts a quiet revolution underground. Fungi colonize the wood, breaking it down and turning it into a sponge for water. This hidden reservoir helps plants survive droughts. Bacteria, earthworms and insects join in, creating a thriving underground city. Over years, the wood transforms into humus, dark, rich and full of nutrients. The soil becomes more fertile, holds water better, and supports healthier plants. Unlike chemical fertilizers, this is a gentle, continuous supply of nourishment. Your garden becomes more resilient, needing less water and care. The reward? A self-sustaining ecosystem that grows stronger every year. All from a simple act: burying wood beneath your soil. Burning fallen branches is quick, but the loss is lasting. Fire turns decades of potential fertility into a puff of smoke and a handful of ash. Most nutrients vanish, leaving only a fleeting boost for your soil. In contrast, burying wood is a patient investment. The transformation is slow but profound. Wood becomes a 20-year gift to your garden. At first, microbes borrow a little nitrogen, but soon the soil repays you with abundance. Gardens with buried wood are resilient, moist, and alive. Gardens that rely on burning need constant inputs and struggle to thrive. One path leads to lasting abundance, the other to depletion. Choose the wisdom of wood over the folly of fire. Build a garden that grows richer with time. Creating long-term fertility is simple. Start a new raised bed with a base of logs, branches and twigs, fungal culture. Use only untreated wood and soak it well before adding soil. Fill gaps with smaller branches and leaves, then cover with compost and topsoil. Bury the wood at least 8 to 12 inches deep to keep it moist and effective. As the wood breaks down, your bed will settle. Build it a bit higher at first. Fallen branches become next year's bounty, not waste. Work with nature, not against it, and close the loop in your garden. This ancient method saves resources, reduces waste, and builds living soil. Your garden will thank you for generations to come.